Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name!
Alright, YouTube, I'm out here, west sanding, buffing. Got this fender in the hood, west sand where I just got done. I'm using 2500. Y'all know, man, I'm unconventional in the way I be doing my stuff, so and I get it to work. I don't know if it's the right way or wrong way, but I'm using this palm sander and sandpaper, 2500. Started off at 15, now I'm at 25. So, and I do some of it with hand though. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. But majority of that is with that. So I'm trying to hurry up and get done. If y'all can see back here. And this is I'm still on the aggressive pad. I'm still compounding really. I mean cutting. Matter of fact. Medium cut. So you know. Then the compound, you know, I'm using this compound. So I can tell y'all back in a minute, man. Y'all see I got another gun. It's brand new box. I ain't even fucking took it in the crib or nothing. This is here. But yeah, let me get back to it. Okay, YouTube, just got done cutting. So I'm about to wipe this down and go on and buff it. All I did was cut it with the medium cut and the aggressive wool pad. So I'm about to go ahead and buff it. So this is I'm using what is it? I'm using this to buff. So this is the wool pad I had with the Harbor Freight Warrior, whatever. So let me go ahead, cut y'all back on. Guess I do the gas station under the gas station lights. Do the gas station light video, everybody be doing this shit. Still ain't clean the wheels up. Told you I be in and out this motherfucker, man. Even when I was doing the body work and shit. Cut and buff. Go back around real quick for y'all in the hood and shit. Gotta hurry up and make my moves. Yeah. Cut and buff. Alright then.